Hey guys, Mr. Haque here back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to find your SkyQ remote if you've lost it. So my SkyQ remote's there, but this did happen the other day. I actually lost it. Well, I didn't lose it, my brother did. We couldn't find it. Anyway, so the way this has a handy feature in the SkyQ box, where it can locate it for you by making a ping. So what it will do, it'll send out a ping signal. As long as it is within radius of quite a bit, actually. You can go a couple rooms away, so that's okay. So most likely in a house you'll be able to find it, because it'll ping and make a sound, and yeah, and starts flashing as well. So I'm not sure if it works when it's off, but let's try it. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on the Q button, which is just right in the middle there. Don't think that'll work. No. Oh, it does. So even when the sky is off, it does work. Can you hear it pinging? And to make it stop, you just click on anything on the remote like that. That's about it, guys. That's as easy as that. So next time you lose your sky remote, just go press your skybox. That's all you have to do. Alright guys, if you like the video, then give it a like. Helps this video be seen, basically. And subscribe to my channel if you're new. If you're into car videos, go check out my car playlist. If you're into Amazon unboxings, go check out my mystery unboxing series. If you're into clothing, basically I've got a playlist for everybody, basically. So go check them out and you'll enjoy it. Anyways guys, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time, and goodbye if you're new, and bye.